greatest opponent you'll ever face at the table isn't in front of you, it's inside you.
Have you ever wondered what separates an average player from a true master? Whether it's in three-cushion billiards or pool, it's not just technique, power, or accuracy. There's something deeper that makes all the difference: your mindset. In this video, we'll explore how you can train both your mind and body to boost your performance at the table, build real confidence, and play with the precision of a pro. Number 1. The power of a clear objective. Every great player visualizes their shot before they take it. It's not just about looking at the table. It's about seeing the ideal path of the cue ball before you even make the shot. The key is to develop strategic vision. Before each shot, ask yourself, what's the best angle? Where do I want the cue ball to land for my next move? Players who master three-cushion billiards and pool don't focus only on the shot in front of them. They think about the entire play. Number 2, physical condition and its impact on performance. Your stance, your breathing, and your muscle relaxation all play a key role in shot accuracy. Maintaining a balanced and relaxed posture gives you better control over your execution. A tense body leads to inaccurate shots. Breathing is also crucial. A simple trick is to take a deep breath before a difficult shot and exhale slowly as you make the stroke. This helps you stay calm and stay precise. Number 3, emotional control, how to handle pressure at the table. We've all felt the frustration of missing a key shot. The difference between an amateur player and a professional is how they handle those moments. Instead of reacting with anger or frustration, shift to an analytical mindset. Why did I miss? What can I adjust for my next shot? One trick top players use is to redefine mistakes as learning opportunities. Don't see them as failures. See them as necessary adjustments to improve your precision. Number 4, thought patterns and their influence on your game. Your inner dialogue is critical. What do you tell yourself when you miss? If your answer is, "I'm terrible at this," or "I'll never get it right," you're training your mind to fail. Instead, shift your internal narrative to something more helpful. "That shot taught me something new," or "I'll make the next one better." Confidence is built through repetition and a positive mindset. A player who truly believes in themselves is far more likely to execute shots with confidence and accuracy. Number 5, the importance of consistent training. No one is born a master of billiards, whether it's three-cushion or pool. The key to success is smart, deliberate repetition. It's not just about playing many games. It's about practicing with a purpose. Break your training into key areas, for example. First, learn the main objective. Second, practice variations and repetitions until you perfect it. Third, focus on the positioning of the second and third balls to set up a solid follow shot. You can organize your training in a systematic, personalized way, dividing it into the key areas you believe will boost your performance. An effective way to train is to repeat the same shot over and over until you can execute it confidently in different scenarios. Number 6, surround yourself with players who push you to improve. Your environment influences your progress. If you always play against weaker opponents, you might feel confident, but you won't really improve. Look for players who challenge you, who give you advice, and help you see new approaches to the game. Feedback from experienced players can speed up your learning in ways solo practice just can't. Number 7, conclusion. Three-cushion billiards is a game of precision, strategy, and, above all, mindset. If you apply these principles, you won't just improve your game. You'll change how you approach every match. And if you want to dive deeper into developing a winning mindset, both in the sport and in life, I highly recommend checking out Tony Robbins' book, Unlimited Power. I've left a link in the description, so you can explore these ideas further. If you're passionate about billiards, you'll find the best systems, references, and lessons here, explained like never before. Subscribe and take your game to the next level.